Samsung has launched a couple of watches in the last year, which includes the Galaxy Watch, Watch Active, and recently launched Watch Active2. All of these now run on Tizen OS with One UI, and there's so much you can do with them than just seeing time and tracking your activities. Hi guys, this is Ashish from Guiding Tech, and in this video, we'll take a look at some handy Galaxy Watch tips and tricks. So let's get right into it, shall we? Now before we get started, you should know that while we have shown these features on the Galaxy Watch Active 2, all of them will work on the recent previous generation watches from Samsung as well. Now the first trick in the list is about watch faces. These watches come with some stock faces and you can download a lot more through the stores to let you sport a distinct look. The good thing about these watch faces is that you can customize them further. From the number of steps and flows to the colors of the dial, you can tweak a lot more. Just open up the Galaxy Wearable app and navigate to Watch Faces. Choose one and tap on the little icon at the upper right corner. Pick the color of your liking and click on Save. Depending on the theme you have selected, you can also pick the icons or the depth effect. Once done, click on Save. That's it, a brand new watch face every time you get bored with the old one. However, please note that the in-depth customization might not be available for all the watch faces out there. For analog watches, you can even enable the ticking sound to make it resemble, you guessed it right, an analog watch. Alternatively, you can long press on the watch screen, which will show up the various watch faces. Swipe left to cycle through all of them. To tweak the color and customize a particular watch face, simply tap on the customization button on your watch screen. The next thing you can do is reorder the apps on the watch as per your liking. That means if you'd rather have calendar first and contacts second, you can change the arrangement. And similar to the previous trick, you can either do that on your phone or on the watch directly. On your watch, go to the recent apps page by pressing the home key, and once done, long press on the screen until the page is on the edit mode. Now rearrange the apps according to their priority. Now if you want to do the same thing on your phone, open up the Galaxy Watch app, then go to Settings and under there select Apps. Here tap on the three-dot menu and select Reorder. Now reorder the apps as per your liking. Now similar to the apps, you can also reorder widgets to get to the action quicker. The Galaxy Wearable app comes to your rescue in this situation too. And to do so, navigate to Settings, but here this time select Widgets and then just drag and drop the widget as per your convenience. Neat, right? Next, let's talk about notification. Getting notifications on your watch is a rather cool thing to have, but the experience can be a bit sore if your watch vibrates at every notification you receive. Now the trick here is to tweak the notification settings such that you receive only the priority ones. To do so, head over to Settings, here select Notification and then tap on Manage Notification. Now all you need to do is deselect all the apps that you don't want to be notified for. Now moving on, let's talk about Good Night Mode. Sleep tracking is one of the significant features of Galaxy watches. Its advanced rapid eye movement tracking precisely tracks your sleeping patterns. But this feature can go for a toss if the phone lightens up or vibrates when you are trying to sleep. In such case, the Good Night Mode will be your new best friend. All you need to do is open up Galaxy Wearable app and go to Advanced and then toggle the switch for Good Night. This mode will mute all the alerts and system sounds along with the always on display screen and the wake gestures. You can also make it better by scheduling the start time and end time for the Do Not Disturb mode. Just go to the setting, tap on the Do Not Disturb option and turn on the schedule as you would like it. Moving on, the next thing you can do is customize the home key. Similar to the volume rockers on the smartphones, the home key to the Galaxy Watch is easily customizable to your liking. Now by default, it opens up Bixby. However, until the time Bixby is polished, the button can serve as a trigger for a more useful app that you want to launch. To do so, open up the advanced settings on the Wearable app and then tap on the first option. Here, choose from one of the many options like Quick Dial, Contacts, Alarm, Find My Phone, etc. Please note that the Quick Dial will need access to the microphone in order to place calls if you are selected that. Now apart from all that, you can also customize the background style of the watch. Yes, apart from just the custom watch faces, pretty much the whole of the watch has a black background. Interestingly, it too can be tweaked. Samsung has packed in a bunch of cool AMOLED wallpapers that you can check out. And to make the changes, navigate to Display Settings on the Wearable app And here, choose the background style you like by just tapping on it, and it will be applied as the backdrop of your watch. Cool, right? Now the next thing that you can do is double up the watch as your portable music player. Yep, you heard it right. These watches have the built-in ability to store music, and thanks to the internal memory out there, it's not so tough. All you need to do is add your favorite music track to the watch, pair the wireless headphones, and just go for a run. However, to add tracks, open up the app and navigate down to add content to your watch option. Now here, select the option add tracks and then just pick up the tracks that you would like to transfer to your watch. Now to pair up the headphones on the watch, twist your way to the settings, connection, select Bluetooth and then select Bluetooth headset and tap on the scan option. Now here, make sure that the headphones are in the visible mode, and once the scan has detected the headphones, just tap on it to connect. That's it. And finally, the last thing that you can do on your watch is turn on the always on display. This is an amazing feature for most Samsung flagships, and Galaxy watches are no different. When enabled, you don't have to touch the screen or raise to wrist to wake up the device. It just stays lit and it really looks cool though. The easiest way to enable the always on display is by swiping down from the top of the screen and then selecting the option always on display. And from now on, your watch will stay awake like an analog watch. However, this feature doesn't work when the watch doesn't detect a heartbeat, so I think it's one of the best ways the watch can still conserve some battery. So well, that sums it up for this video. Make sure that you drop a like if you like the video, and don't forget to subscribe to Guiding Tech if you want to see some more amazing tech videos like this one. So guys, this is Ashish signing off, and I hope to see you in the next video. Until then, take care and have a wonderful day. Bye bye.